kind of creepy.
Definitely creepy.
I mean, I want to keep going, but I don't want to split up.
Now we go down a little further. Okay, be super, super careful here. Did you make that sound? I think it's just a bird or something.
That ain't a bird.
What? I think that was an animal or something.
I don't know what the fuck it was. It creeped me out a little bit.
You okay? Personally, I want to know what. You hear that?
Yeah.
That noise when you step on that?
I stepped right on the. Yeah.
Brad. Freaked.
Nice.
What, you heard that?
I could see that happen. I don't know about
And he goes, it sounded like an animal. There was no animal.